this ridiculous looking contraption used to be a prototype guitar neck, which I made when I was a teenager, when I had absolutely no building skills whatsoever. Anyway, I found it years later and decided to put it to good use as a Dalek rod gun former thing. So basically what I've done with this Dalek gun is I've used the coat hangers, and I've chopped them up, and I found the best way to bend them is if you have them in a what do you call it, a jig of some sort, which is basically what this is. So having that holding the whole thing down makes life so much more easier, because if you try to bend it without some sort of jig, if you're just trying to bend it with a pair of pliers, you'll end up with wonky rods, because one end will be bent one way and the other end will be bent the other way. So I've seen other Dalek builders make a jig a bit like this, where they can keep the whole rod flat and then they can just bend it around the curve, which is basically what that is. That's to create the curve for the rods. So there's another curvy bit there. So basically I'll just pull this around with brute force to, can't really do it with one hand, but I'll just bend it around and basically chop it off each end and get it to the right shape. So basically this is the end result, is coat hanger Dalek gun. And I've got the two rings in place. I've drilled holes all the way through to the aluminium pipe now, and I've been advised to just maybe just glue it in, because I won't be soldering it or anything, because I haven't got any brazing gear, soldering gear, welding gear or anything like that. So I'm just going to glue it in and hope for the best.